Exploring Magoroto Forest, a hidden gem in Tanga, Tanzania. Nestled in the lush hills of the Tanga region, Magoroto Forest is one of Tanzania's best-kept secrets. While many tourists flock to the more famous safari destinations or coastal cities, Magoroto offers a peaceful, serene retreat into nature that remains largely untouched by the hustle and bustle of urban life. A natural wonderland, Magoroto Forest is a pristine, evergreen forest, offering a beautiful landscape filled with towering trees, crystal-clear streams, and an array of vibrant plant and animal life. The area is part of the larger Magoroto Forest Reserve, which spans over 300 hectares of protected land. For nature enthusiasts, the forest provides a rare opportunity to experience Tanzania's biodiversity in its rawest form. Activities and attractions. Hiking and nature walks. Magoroto is a hiker's paradise. Trails wind through the dense forest, offering the hike is views and encounters with local wildlife. The hike is not only a physical challenge but also a chance to immerse oneself in the natural beauty of the area, with stunning vistas, birdwatching opportunities, and the sound of rushing water from nearby streams. Camping. For those looking to fully immerse themselves in nature, camping in Magoroto is an unforgettable experience. The area offers safe and designated camping grounds where visitors can spend the night under the stars, listening to the sounds of the forest. It's an excellent way to disconnect from modern life and reconnect with nature. Magoroto Lake. Located within the forest, the small yet picturesque Magoroto Lake is a tranquil spot perfect for photography, relaxing, or just enjoying the serenity of the surroundings. Birdwatching. With its rich diversity of flora and fauna, Magoroto is also a haven for bird watchers. The forest is home to several species of rare and endemic birds, making it a fantastic spot for bird enthusiasts. Cultural experience. Magoroto is located near various local communities that maintain traditional lifestyles. Visitors may have the chance to engage with the indigenous people, learn about their culture, and sample traditional foods. Getting there. Magoroto is located about 60 kilometers southwest of Tanga city, making it a great weekend getaway for both locals and international travelers. The area is accessible by road, though it's advisable to travel with a local guide for a more enriching experience.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to get notification for more updates.